Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to control or perform different system functions using only voice in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings. Now click on this accessibility. Just scroll down below. Now we'll see here one option, voice control. Just click on it. Now just turn on this voice control option. Now just click on this commands. Now here you will see tons of pre-included commands, so you can check each one of it if you want to know. So here all the commands like scroll down, scroll up, scroll to bottom, scroll to top, scroll left. So tons more options here as you can see here, and even you can check the basic navigation also. So here all the commands, open app library, app switcher, open control center, and even you can create your new command just by clicking here. Give whatever name you want to give. So I've given a next name, so you can select the action. You can run insert text or run custom gesture. Click on save, move back, click on save. So now you can minimize it. Now let us check how it works. Open control center. So you can see here, close control center. So you can see, open notification center, close notification center. So it's working perfectly. Now let us try other commands more. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll up, scroll up. So you can see it's working perfectly. Now let us try our custom command which I have set. Next, next, next. So you can see it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily control or perform different system functions using only voice in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.